think for testing purposes, I'm just going to grind down a few of pieces of the conduit here, and just grind down the edges here so it'll actually slide in. That way I don't have to worry about printing new ones for the moment. So, like I said, this is my prototype, so I'll fix the design while I'm working or something like that. But for now, I'll just clean these up as much as I can for now. This is the wife's Dremel. It's the 7300. It's alright. I definitely missed my corded one, which was stolen from me, and I haven't replaced yet. I've bought a few other cheap rotary tools in the meantime, but I've blown them. When it comes to the rotary tools, buy Dremel. That's one tool that you'll always want to make sure you buy Dremel. Other ones will work, but for the amount of time that I do put on them, I want to make sure they work, and Dremel has never done me wrong. Remember, get Dremel. Maybe not the battery powered one if you're using it in a shop, but definitely buy Dremel. So now that should fit these guys just fine. Yep, there's just that small ridge that was on the inside there that I had from my flaw from my design, I guess, or my 3D print. I'll have to look at that, see if it was the 3D print or if it was my design. Either way, I'll get her fixed. Alright, and then there's that guy there. So that'll work. They'll go into there. I'm just going to grind it down a bit because I don't know why it's not wanting to go in here correctly. Maybe it's my hole at the beginning here. Maybe it's my angle. I'm not 100% sure because I know it's around here, but I think I'm not compensating enough somewhere. So I'll have to figure that out. I'll have to play around with that anyways. So anyways, those are done. Now it's time to get the grinder out. And while I have the grinder out, I'm going to finish up one of my other projects. The design was for helping hands that had flat sides, where mine has this bevel. So I'm just going to grind that down so it'll fit into the base, so that way I can use that base. And I haven't been using it because I've been putting that off. So I will grind that up. Pull out my grinder, and all my screws were completely not attached. So just going around getting those back in. Yeah, when I pulled it out, all the screws were laying in the bottom here. All four of them to hold the motor to the base. So I've had this for a long time though now. Not sure why that's not clicking in there properly. Making a mess. There we go. That should do for now. That's the right way. Almost time for a new one. This one's good for, okay for or general purpose. Shouldn't need those.